What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and I'm really bad with camera placement, so let's fix this. Okay, I know, PACKOUT Princess, she left me. She didn't leave me. But I've got something that a buddy of mine worked up. You guys have seen some of the 3D printed latches that Vernon did. The fan mount that Vernon did. 3D Technologies USA. I'm gonna say it a million times. 3D Technologies USA. So this video is sort of an update to stuff that 3D Technologies USA, Vernon, has. We've got some cool labels. I've got some sneak peeks. I'm gonna show you these really quick. They're for the PACKOUT drawers. That's all you're gonna see. Speaking of stuff for the PACKOUT drawers, I'm gonna show you this one. We'll show this one long term. So these, I'm gonna call this sort of the badge PACKOUT video, right? So this is pretty sweet. He even includes tape, and that goes on the front of the PACKOUT drawers, and I'll take the camera over there and I'll show you in a second. But I've got a whole bunch more cool stuff that I'm gonna show you in this video. And as far as badges go, so check these out. Wire spools, double-sided sticky tape, electrical, double-sided sticky tape, Rainbird. Look at that. He can do just about any logo you want. This is him, 3D Technologies USA. Link will be in the description. This is like a Monday video, so it's a little shorter, a little more light. Of course, all our videos are light. Air tip. So this is for all the vacuum tips. 3D Technologies USA. Route out. My router PACKOUT. Actually going to make a new one where the double decker is the one with the routers in. So I'll probably not put that on until I do that one. Yes, that's right. They're from 3D Technologies USA. He includes some of the good 3M VHB with a very high bond. I'm betting that's what it's in. But there's more, right? You saw the cool badges, okay? You saw the real quick drawer stuff. That's, I'll show you when I can turn the camera around. But these are for the PACKOUT crates. And you know what the PACKOUT crates are, right? You guys know what PACKOUT crates are? Come on, can I get a shake of the camera? Yes. Comment below if you know what a PACKOUT crate is. Milk crate. All right, but hold on. I know I'm saying in the title that this is about badges, but there's one other thing. Check this out. This is the dual rapid charger. This is what comes with any of the dual battery setups. You can also buy this individually. It comes with the mower, but it's PACKOUT compatible. I sent this off to Vernon, 3D Technologies USA. He did his magic and made us a bracket. So if you have got wall grid, right? They're friction fit, pretty simple. I know I'm off camera, but you guys will just have to deal with it. Because I have wall grid, so it'll work with the Milwaukee wall grid and it'll also work with these brackets. I put these everywhere in my shop, and here we go. We have the dual rapid charger on a PACKOUT bracket. How sweet is that? That's right. So now, he's got the badges for the crates, 3D Technologies USA, just about anything, right? He has the bracket for the dual rapid charger, PACKOUT bracket. Before Milwaukee did it, that's right. Right? We love the fact that it's before Milwaukee did it. He's got labels for the drawers. He obviously has labels that replace the latches. He's got these labels, all types of different things. So I am going to go ahead, turn the camera around. I'm gonna put a couple of these on the crate so you guys can check it out. Okay, so I have some alcohol wipe and
what the heck? You can't do a video without PACKOUT Princess. You're not going to get any views that way. Let's be real.
Well, okay.
What are you doing?
Here. No.
What? Oh.
Here, you take this. I need this.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, we got these. Get some alcohol wipe. And you're right. I probably won't get the views. So, I always use these. Holy Lord.
Those are wet.
So, I'm going to do a couple over here. I'm going to do this spool one, and I'm just going to wipe it. Oh, it gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Clean, clean, clean.
And then I'm going to do the sprinkler. And this one I'll do double. And then this one, no, we won't do double on that one. So we'll do those two. And I'll show you, oh yeah, let's do this one too. Okay, so I always do this. He doesn't include this. As long as they're not dirty, you don't necessarily need this, but anytime you use one of these, it just increases it. So what I'm gonna do on the ones that I do double, I'm gonna do one of his, sprinkler, and then we got air tip, right? So I'll do like this.
So you're doing 3D Technologies and then labeling what it is.
Which one did I say double I was gonna do? Rainbird, not the air tip. I am gonna do the air tip, and then we're gonna do the wire spool. So we'll do these, right?
Those are very smelly. I can smell those.
So let's see. Did the stuff dry yet?
Looks dry from here. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
we'll do
dry.
this one. So let's do the spool one.
Okay, I'm gonna stand over here and wait for you to come back.
Okay.
Ooh. So what do they got on the back of them?
It's just this 3M VHT, very VHB, very high bond. I don't know.
Okay, so it's got sticky tape on the back.
Double-sided sticky tape.
Okay.
This would be easier if a girl did it. Or maybe it's not easy with girl. I don't know.
I was gonna say we got nails. It's hard.
Okay, so wire spools, right?
Okay, so then you just pop that right in there.
Push where the tape is.
Yep.
And then pull that off.
Wait, that was electrical though. Why does it say wire spools?
I guess I'm gonna.
That one's gonna be the wire spools.
Thanks, Packout Princess. You help real quick. Okay, sprinkler. We're doing 2, right?
Okay, so you're gonna do the 3D.
So that's fine. That's easy fix. Come here.
Okay. All right. Sure. What are we doing now?
Next.
Oh, it's hot. Look, Packout Princess is. I'm glistening.
I thought I was doing this video without.
And I was inside. I was inside earlier. I was cleaning out half of my closet for somebody to put their clothes in it.
Not me. Air tip.
Okay.
Just the tip.
Just the tip. Can I walk backwards and do it? Look at this. I can do it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Should we do the 3D technology? Did I?
Yes, you did.
I did.
So
Okay. So let's do that one.
Okay. So now you're grabbing the 3D technology ones.
Oh, you're filming.
I am. Look, I'm doing it backwards. This will be weird to watch. We'll figure it out. If you can figure out how to take the sticky tape off.
I should have
You shouldn't. You should have made Julia do that. Should have been good at that.
Is she done painting?
I don't know. Julia, are you done painting?
Okay. So we're gonna actually stop on this one. This will be the last one because this video is way too long. And I told them that this was gonna be short, but this very high hold, very high bond, whatever stuff is really good tape. But see now,
Yeah.
instead of this, which I'm gonna get latches, but air tip, 3D Technologies. I got the wire spools. I'll just move the spools around.
Yep.
And then I'll do these ones off camera. So,
Okay.
this was just a quick video.
Quick.
Backpacking Princess and her
I
lovely
wasn't supposed to be in this video.
flotation. What? Thanks for sorry for not being mad at me. But yeah, a quick video. Just wanted to show off our new stuff. 3D Technologies USA. I've said it 15 million times. Thanks, Packout from Princess, for not being mad at me. I said that. What's that thing we tell them?
To hit the bell.
Hit the bell, subscribe.
And subscribe.
A lot of you aren't. And stay tuned for Friday, because this will be Monday's video. Yes, this is going to be Monday's. I'm not going to do the blower until next week. This is Monday's video, so Friday we will have a... What series is it?
It's the Packout 101
Packout
series,
101.
Right?
And I think we're going to work on the jack.
Yep.
And layout.
Yeah.
So, I'm
Everybody loves a good jack.
going to pack out. You do anything you like to do at the end of a camera roll.